Hello, I'm Vince and welcome to the Back Academy. Today we are integrating Readwise into Notion, but not in the standard way we see so often on internet, linking the Kindle app to Readwise, but using Readwise in a browser. How can we do that? First we need to install the browser extension for Readwise. Then it imports all your current highlights. You can see all the books you have. You already can see all the highlights of the books you already read. But you can also create new connections with sites or services that are not used in your Kindle. So Medium, if you include your Medium username, now the accounts are linked. And if you read an article and find something you want to highlight, you select it and then choose highlight. You guessed it. If it's highlighted in Medium, when you come back to Readwise and you import from Readwise, you sync, your new highlight appears. So now if you want to export to Notion, use the export function. When you configure it, you need to choose to what workspace, with what workspace it will synchronize. You start the export. And in your Notion, you see the Readwise page that is created, and it will be filled with all the books and articles. You see it appears one item at a time because it's importing everything step by step. And you see the books are in the gallery, so the library of books, the books appear If you copy a link from the database, you can put it in the notes and IDs of your back productivity system. You can add the library with all the podcasts, samples from Air, the highlighted parts of articles, and highlighted sections from the books you read on your Kindle. So that's it for this video. Once again, I'm Vince. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Be nice in your comments because trolls are only fun if they dance, sing or hug. And I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.